to begin by sharing a quote. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. These words may be cliche or may sound incredibly simple, but they perfectly encapsulate the very essence of what I would like to share with you today. Kindness is not merely an optional gesture or a momentary act of goodwill. It's a powerful force that can shape who we are and nurture our emotional and mental well being. When practiced intentionally, kindness has the extraordinary ability to heal, to connect, and to quietly transform the world around us. In those small moments when we choose kindness, when we pause to help out, when we make an effort to include someone, and when we reach out to share a moment of support, we create ripples that extend far beyond the action itself. Kindness builds trust, reassures those who are struggling, and reminds people that they truly matter. Let me share a small but powerful example of kindness from my own life. I once forgot my lunch, which I had been excitedly looking forward to. I tried to laugh it off, but hunger and embarrassment were written all over my face. Without making a scene, another student quickly slid half their sandwich across the table to me. No speeches, no attention, just kindness. That simple gesture didn't just feed me physically, it restored my dignity, eased my embarrassment, and reminded me that I wasn't invisible. And that's the quiet power of kindness. This kindness doesn't only impact others, it can also profoundly affect ourselves. A study by Stanford University found that performing acts of kindness causes the ventral striatum, which is the reward center of our brain, to activate. To put into perspective, the ventral striatum is the same region that lights up when we receive tangible rewards, like money or other materialistic goods. Essentially, the brain says, yes, do more of that. It's good for you. Kindness is not just an emotional response, it's irrefutably biological, and it's built in our very nature as human beings. Kindness is deeply intertwined with the essence of who we are meant to be. But not everyone carries kindness. People are often affected by what they are going through, and the stress, competition, pain, administering cruelty can harden them, causing them to prioritize defending themselves over being kind. Pain that is not healed, fear of being wounded, and what is taught in society can dull someone's empathy, causing them to become less kind, not because it is lost, but because it is buried. Yet, history provides powerful examples. Take the case of Maya Angelou, a celebrated American writer. When she struggled to speak following a traumatic experience, it was the patience and kindness of her teacher and mentor, Mrs. Bertha Flowers, that gradually helped her regain her voice. That simple, compassionate act of making time to help ended up shaping a girl who would go on to become one of the most influential writers of this century. This shows us that kindness doesn't need to be loud or dramatic to be transformative. Sometimes it's the quietest acts that leave the deepest impressions. So, how can we apply this in our daily lives? A kindness researcher, Dr. David R. Hamilton, avidly discussed a concept called prescription kindness. Picture this. You walk into a doctor's office, understandably expecting medicine or instructions, but instead, the doctor simply tells you do 3 acts of kindness daily. Sounds unusual, doesn't it? It sounds too simple, too crude to even work. And yet, studies show that this does work. Students who made an effort to perform more acts of kindness week after week reported significantly increased levels of happiness, optimism, and resilience, as well as lower levels of feelings such as anxiety or loneliness. What if the next big breakthrough in health, happiness, and resilience isn't waiting to be found in hospitals or laboratories? What if it's sitting right there in our homes, our classrooms, and our everyday interactions? What if the simple decision to choose kindness consistently and intentionally is the key to shaping healthier communities? As we bring these ideologies together, it's crucial to comprehend what this truly means going forward. With kindness, we're not just improving today, the present moment. Rather, we're reshaping our brains, building our resilience, and building a stronger foundation for a brighter tomorrow, for future generations to come. Kindness is a powerful force that every one of us carries. Every minute act creates a powerful ripple effect that extends far beyond what we can see. We hold the power to spark change in someone else, in ourselves, and even in entire communities. Remember, you can be anything, be kind. Because the truth is, you always have access to this power. Every smile, every helping hand, every moment of patience matters. Share it, live it, because kindness isn't just possible, it's a transformative necessity. So remember this: next time you smile at someone, lend a helping hand, or speak kindly, know that you're not just brightening their day for a fleeting moment. You're nurturing your own mind, strengthening your spirit, and cultivating a lasting sense of happiness for both you and for them. Thank you.